how to select people to review what's shared and stopped sharing on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we go down and tap on Safety Check. Then tap on Manage Sharing and Access. In here, go down and tap on Continued. Then it said Sharing with People. So in here, you can select the person that you want to review. So I'm going to say select this contact and then tap on Review Sharing. In here, it will tell you what you are sharing with that person. And then you can tap on the checkbox to select the item. And in here, you can choose to stop sharing with that person. And say, are you sure you want to stop sharing? You can choose stop sharing or you can cancel. Now you can also tap on the back key to go back, and then you can view other contacts that you have been sharing with. And in here, you can see for this particular contact, I have shared photos with that person. So I can choose skip or I can select that to stop sharing. And in here, it got sharing publicly, photos and share calendars. And I can select all, and then I can stop sharing of this information. And at the top here, I can also choose information, so I can view what kind of information is being shared. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.